Nature of literature. According to Britannica, the art of literature is not reducible to the words on the page. They are there solely because of the craft of writing. As an art, literature might be described as the organization of words to give pleasure. Yet, through words, literature elevates and transforms experience beyond mere pleasure. Literature is the expression of life in forms of truth and beauty. It expresses some feelings of thought which we recognize as a part of our own experience. In this sense, literature holds mirror up to nature. Literature has closeness to life. Almost every person has undergone the experience of quarreling and parting in anger from someone they love. At the time, they might say or think of not seeing the person again. However, one word or sign of love is enough to bring about a reconciliation. This feeling is expressed beautifully in a sonnet by Michael Drayton. The sonnet beginning with the line, "Since there's no help, come let us kiss and part," describes an emotion which we call recognize and is very close to life. The important thing in literature is the aesthetic satisfaction it gives as a result of the treatment of the subject matter. It is this that gives permanence to a work like Shakespeare's King Lear or Shelley's Ode to the West Wind. The literary artist presents real or imaginary experiences, good or bad characters, and the study of this helps us to understand life in a better way. The writer shows us a real and clear picture of various aspects of human nature. As Hudson rightly says, a great book grows directly out of life. In reading it, we are brought into large, close, and close relations with life. Literature is a reflection of some truth and beauty which usually remains unnoticed by people. A work of art is not merely a vehicle for generating ideas. It is the communication of the artist which is very important. The literary artist takes care to present his vision in such a way that his work affords pleasure to others.